I'm Carlo Crescetti, and this is my shop, South Shore Meats. Every steak from my shop is hand cut with precision. The City of Champions needs its own cut. This is Boston Strip Steak.
Hi, I'm Carlo Crescetti. Today we're here in Newburyport, Massachusetts at the historic Port Tavern. The chef inside is doing some amazing things with our Boston Strip Steak. Let's go inside and see exactly what he's doing with it. This is Chef Vincente. Chef, what are we doing today with the Boston Strip?
Doing a couple things for the Boston Strip today. We're going to do some frites, some steak, some mashed potatoes, some steamed broccoli, and a little bit of demi-glace.
That sounds excellent.
Yeah.
Let's see what it looks like.
Awesome. All I do for my Boston Strip is just a little salt and pepper, so I can really highlight the steak instead of covering it up with other stuff. I just slap it on the grill. I'm kind of happy that Boston has his own strip now, since everybody else has theirs.
Carlo trademarked it. He said, Zeke, you need to put this on your menu. We brought it in because we love Boston, and it made sense to bring in something that was going to be local.
It was intriguing, it's different, and it kind of captures Boston. Looking for some grill marks. It's almost there. The best thing about cooking the steak is how it cooks evenly. A lot of different steaks are fat on top, so it's not an even temp. I flipped it on the side so I can lock the juices in. Cooks fast, so ticket times are not really lagging too much. I think I'm gonna take it off and let it rest for a little bit, because if you cut it right now, it's a little too hot and the juices will just all pour out. Let's keep it simple for the steak. I got some whipped potatoes with a little salt, a little pepper, some steamed broccoli. It actually cuts pretty smooth. It's not tough. You don't have to put a lot of weight on the knife whatsoever. Right now I'm just gonna fan it out and then I'm gonna put it right on the plate. Here we go.
Hey, look at this.
Enjoy.
Thank you. I like going for that end first. That's some good steak right there. A lot of flavor. That juice is right in there. I think I just got hungrier just putting it in my mouth. This steak goes great with a martini. That was my first time having the Boston Strip. Tender, the flavor. I don't know why I don't have it in my freezer right now.
Medium rare is the way to go with it. It's a different cut. There's no fat or anything you have to pick off of or a bad piece of it. What you get is just a well-cut piece of meat.